get ready to be disappointed. You wasted your damn money on these crocodile monster animal looking flipper shoes, but boy was I wrong. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Alexandra, and today if you couldn't already tell by the thumbnail, I'm doing a little unboxing, although I've already seen what they look like, slash a little review on the Yeezy Slides in the colour Bone. Before I show you them, I just wanted to give a little backstory on my opinion and what I thought before buying them. And to be honest, I think that they already launched different colours a few months ago, and I saw a couple content creators on Instagram that I like, and they literally said, guys, these look weird but they're the most comfortable slides, and yeah, you won't be disappointed. And I was just like, yeah, I'm sure. They just, I don't know, they just screamed weird at me, but I'm sure, not in a rude way, but isn't that Kanye? Meaning if he's on a different wavelength to us, I guess it would be weird if it looked normal. I mean, what is normal, guys? Tell me. But yeah, a few days ago I got an email from Adidas to say that they're gonna launch the Yeezy Slides in the colours Bone, Resin, and I think that last one was brown. Anyway, I ended up picking the Bone colour. So fast forwarding to the point where I received my slides, like I said, I already checked them out, but just to see if they were okay and they weren't damaged. So yeah, of course when I got them, and purely because they come the next day, I was so excited, and I was thinking to myself, right, let's have a look, let's get ready to be disappointed. You wasted your damn money on these crocodile monster animal looking flipper shoes, but boy was I wrong. Honestly guys, I'm glad I was wrong, because I actually bloody love them. I know they're probably an acquired taste, but I don't care. I like to be different. That's so cliche, like I just want it to be different. I'm a leader, not a follower. But no, really, I'm a leader, not a follower, guys. Don't be sheeps. And yeah, so let me get into showing you them. So this is what the box looks like. It has a slide on them, and then on the side, Yeezy Slide, made by Adidas. And just for reference, I don't know if I'm the only one that has this issue, but in terms of sizing, with Adidas trainers, I have to buy a 6 because I feel like they run small. And yeah, so when choosing the slides, I chose them in a size 6, even though on the website when I got chosen to buy the slides, it said underneath fits true to size. I thought to myself, let me go with a 6 like usual, and choosing the 6 was the best thing that I could have ever done. So I'm glad about that. So just maybe go up one size. So yeah, here we've got like one of these pulley tabs, and it just opens like that, wrapped up. And here are the slides, guys. Let me tell you, the picture that they used to promote these slides, it's ugly. They look ugly compared to how they look in person. I'm telling you now, they look so good. But yeah, so this is what they look like. The material, I think, is just like any other Adidas slide, but what I would say is the material is that good. If you do get them dirty, just get a cloth and wipe them down and they'll clean up good. Yeah, the reason why I also went for a 6 is because this part here, if you look at the image that is posted online, it looks very tight, so I didn't want it to rub on my toes. Because of the material that it is, it will cut up your toes. So I feel like that's why you should go a size bigger. And this is what the bottoms look like. So you got some good grip on there, girl. Told you they look like crocodiles. On the heel part there, it's got Adidas stamp. Right, I'm gonna pop these on my feet and show you how they look on, and I'm going to tell you how I think they feel. So guys, this is what they look like on, and to be honest, I really like them. I think they fit really well and they're super comfortable. I can't explain enough how comfortable these slides are, honestly. And they actually don't look bad on. Okay, and now, do I think these slides are worth the money and worth the hype? So firstly, these retail at £44.95, which I think is really good because there's Crocs that cost £50 and they're just like, I don't even know how to describe them. But anyway, I do think these are worth it. I think they're worth the money for a slide, because there's designer slides out there that cost like £200, and I'm just like, guys, why are you wasting your money on that? When here you can get a basic, minimal looking slide that looks trendy and on point but still basic at the same time, and they're super comfortable. I do think they're worth the hype. And yeah, I just like that these are different and not everyone loves them. And wearing them, your feet feel snug. Your feet ain't moving around, sliding around everywhere. They're literally snug as a bug. So if Adidas do get round to launching more of these, which I'm sure they will, do try and get yourself a pair. Please guys, don't be going on these websites that resell these for like double the price. It's not worth it. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you liked it, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not really good with talking in front of the camera. I'm slowly getting back into things, so please bear with me, trying to make more of an effort to post on YouTube. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there was anything that I missed that you wanted to know, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.